Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're in the basement. Remember, we were working on the sheetrock on the ceiling. Hey, we'll show you that. But we're working on this sheetrock here. You can see it needs to be sanded. So last time we did a little piece of it, and we did it by hand. It was nice, the vacuum and everything, no dust. But what we did was we went on Amazon because now we got a lot to do, and it just took forever. We bought a sander, so we're going to set our knife to be barely open here. Let's see if the knife barely open, so we can kind of come in here and do this and not wreck anything in the box. Let's see, looks like we can be a little bit more open here. Wow, gloves with it, amazing. Gloves, safety goggles, kind of comes with everything here. Did get this from Amazon. You can see it's packed really nice in the box. So see how that goes. Get some of these parts out. Got a tube here. Figure out where that goes. They did give you a bunch of sandpaper. Looks like some of it's 320. Don't know all the grits here. You can open this up. Let's see what we have here. It looks like there's some 120 in here. There's 320, 120. It looks like 120. Looks like there's 120 and 320, so we'll do some experimenting with that. It is the latching type, so it's kind of fuzzy. What else we got in here? Got the bag. I'm assuming this bag is the dust collection bag, or maybe it's just a bag to keep it in. It looks like that's the bag. They actually will give you a storage bag to put this in when you're done. That's cool. Got a user's manual in the bag. Looks like we've got part of the handle here. This is the vacuum bag. We got that. We'll put that down here for now. We'll get this out of the bag box here, maybe, huh? Looks like that folds up nice. Well, you can see it's pretty big. In fact, we get some of the packing out. Be careful when you open it. There's a loose Allen wrench in the box. Looks like maybe that came out of here. It looks like there's a screwdriver. Yes, that came out of this bag. Set up here, this piece looks pretty simple. We're just going to flip that open and latch this. That's pretty easy. Got the cord here. Looks like that's pretty easy. Looks like this has got the vacuum. We got some lights around here. Looks like we got to have a piece that goes in here, which is probably the other hunk of what we have here. Let's put this here. I think let's turn this so you can see it better. I can kind of see it. Looks like this is a piece that goes on here. Looks like we've got this to figure out. Really hard to open. Looks like they gave you a spare set of brushes to rebuild the motor if you want. There's a couple washers, don't know where they go. So at this point, we're going to open up the instructions to this and see what it tells you how to put it together. Oh, it tells you how to flip it up. Motor. Snap joint to hose. Hose to the bag. So it looks like this piece here has some threads to go on here. And then this is going to go in there like this. So we're going to have to look up in there and see which way this goes. It's pretty obvious which way that goes, I guess. You can only put it one way here. It don't want to go in very far. Oh, it's not going to go in very far. It's only going to go in a little bit here. Like that, so put this on there. That doesn't seem right. We're gonna have to take a look at that with a light. It seems like it wants to bend some, but maybe you're actually supposed to hold it like this, so we don't really hold the end. So maybe that does work. I was thinking that would go in farther. So we're gonna take this part and go look at it. So after we fooled with this a little bit, you can see we got this to go in farther. So we're gonna take and put it like right here. All right, and we're gonna just tighten this up. Now it's sturdy. Obviously, the longer this is, the longer this spread is, the easier it is to move. So maybe we're going to open it up a little bit. Let's see what we do if we put it on the ceiling. It's not bad, actually. Better than we thought. We take this stuff out of the way. We don't need it right now. So then, got a hose. Looks like on the hose, both ends are the same. So you can use either one on either end. This one on this end. That's good. Pretty fine. So we are going to take out a piece of the 120 paper, put it on. Nice thing here is this has got holes for the vacuum, so you got to make sure these holes line up with those holes. So we're going to try to line this up with the holes best we can. That looks pretty good. Now we should be able to put the bag on the other end here. Looks like that just kind of slides in there, and open this up. Just like that. They say you can hang this over your shoulder, but I think the strap needs to be longer than that. If I put this over my shoulder, let's see what I have here. Okay, that's not bad. We have to unhook the power cord here. Nope. I'm going to cycle the handle just to make sure it's not going to come out. I'll plug it in. Well, let's see. We'll plug this in. Okay, we have power to it. And this is supposed to be multi-speed, so let's see what we got for multi-speed here. Yeah, so we're going to put it on 1. Ooh, look at that. We got a light on there. That's kind of cool. So when we put this against the ceiling here, we do have a light. So let me move you so you can see the ceiling. Okay, so I got you looking at the ceiling right here. The light is on. We're going to put the bag on here. So we are going to take this and we're going to put it up here like this. You can kind of see how that is. Doesn't seem like we're getting the dust collection we thought we'd get. Okay, so hey, we're ready to go now. So we turn on our shop vac. Turn on our unit with a light. And now you can watch, we got no dust. So our review of this item, which I'll put a link down below, the vacuum system that's built into it does not work that well. You will get some dust. If you put a shop vac on it, man, I'm not getting any dust coming down. So this is fabulous. So we are going to use it with the shop vac. That's the way we're going to do it. I'm going to do the basement. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. But highly recommend it. It's doing an excellent job up here. This is just beautiful, okay? This is flat. It's excellent. We'll have to do the whole basement. It's going to take a while, but we will see you soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on, use the Amazon links to shop My Two Good Hands. We can help you out and get you the right tools. You can do this yourself. I know you can.